We're the HBP Group, and we help manufacturers improve efficiency and increase profitability with manufacturing solutions and MRP software. Now, if you're a manufacturer that works with electrical goods or electrical components, then the chances are you'd be a really good fit for MRP software, and in particular, Advanced Business Cloud Essentials. One of the main reasons around this is the need to do so much kitting and bill of materials work within your products that you create. Now, obviously, there's going to be a lot of components in an electrical good, so therefore you need to understand all of the elements that go into that, and that means that you have stock challenges, but you also have an understanding there, or you need an understanding there of your profitability by each product as well. Not only all the components that go into it, but also the labour and any other expenses that might be attributed to the creation and the production of that product. Now, with an MRP software solution, what we end up with is a single location for all of our data. So all of the information is stored in one place, which means it's really easy to report on that side of things and really easy to create those different bill of materials as well. So by creating a bill of material, we instantly then tell our stock system what elements we need when an order comes in. So when we sell an item, for example, our stock system knows that we need 3 of this and 2 of this and 5 of this in order to create that product, for example, and will tell us if we're short on any of those items. More importantly, it will alert the team that are purchasing goods that they need to take an action and raise the necessary documents for them to do that automatically and instantly within the system as well, making that process really smooth and easy. And beyond that, it looks not just at that individual order, but all of the orders we've got. So it understands from a stock perspective what stock we have in, whether that's in one location or multiple locations, how much of that is committed to orders. But it can even look at our CRM system as well, which is within the same system, and see what is forecast. So have we got any big orders about to drop that are going to affect our stock position? We can then use that information to buy sensibly and efficiently, whether that's by increasing our order quantity so we hit certain price breaks, or by ordering at the right time so we maximise our cash flow. On top of that, for manufacturers working with electrical goods and components, it's really important that you have a really seamless customer experience as well, particularly when it comes to warranty, returns and any issues. And again, the system manages that from start to finish. Now, what's brilliant about having a single system that manages this whole process is actually the traceability starts right at the beginning of the process. So if there is a problem with one of your items and you put that down to a specific component, for example, we can trace that all the way back to the order that we made with our supplier. We can also understand if it is a faulty item, for example, where those items went. So which manufacturing processes did they go in, which products could they affect, and then for ease and speed of finding out of any problems, it can tell us where those products are at the moment. So have they been dispatched to certain customers? Are they currently in transit? Or are they still in the manufacturing process, or maybe still sat in stock, which means we can take really quick and decisive action when things do happen. On top of these things, Advanced Business Cloud Essentials is going to manage your full manufacturing process. So everything from creating your production schedule, so no more need for Excel spreadsheets and whiteboards to manage that, everything from your CRM, your stock, your order processing, and even your accounts and your payroll as well, all in one single system. So it's a really good fit for manufacturers working with electrical goods and electrical components. Now, if you'd like to find out how we can work with you and how that could possibly help your business, we do offer a free business process review. The free business process review basically starts with us looking at 3 areas in your business. So typically 3 areas where you're struggling or you want to improve. And we visually map out the processes that you're going through. So we'll draw them out for you and show you what steps you're going through and potentially where any problems are, where any data duplication is, or where any time is being wasted. And what we'll then do is we'll take that same process and map it and show you how it would look in an MRP solution to show you what time savings you can make, what efficiency improvements you could make as well. And from there, we will obviously feedback to you with our recommendations on what we can do and how we can help your business improve both efficiency and profitability. Now, if you're interested, just sign up with one of our easy forms. It's quick and easy to do, and we'll be in touch to get the ball rolling.